Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use protein powder daily. Incorporating protein powder into your routine offers numerous advantages for your body. It is crucial for muscle recovery and growth, especially after physical activity. Furthermore, protein helps you feel satiated, which can be beneficial for managing your weight effectively. It also plays a vital role in supporting your overall health, and can be a simple way to ensure you meet your daily protein requirements without much effort. Timing your protein powder intake can maximize its benefits. Many find it most effective to consume a serving immediately after a workout to aid in muscle repair and growth. You can also use it as a convenient meal replacement or a nutritious snack to increase your overall protein consumption throughout the day. Some individuals even take a small amount before bed to support muscle recovery during sleep, ensuring a steady supply of amino acids. Understanding the right dosage and type of protein is key. A common recommendation is to aim for 20 to 40 grams of protein per serving, depending on your individual needs and activity level. Whey protein is popular for its rapid digestion, making it excellent for post-exercise recovery. Casein protein, on the other hand, provides a slower, sustained release of amino acids. For those with dietary restrictions, plant-based options such as pea or soy protein are fantastic alternatives. Protein powder is incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into many delicious recipes. A popular method is blending it into smoothies with your favorite fruits, vegetables, and liquids for a quick and nutritious meal. You can also stir it into your morning oatmeal or yogurt to boost its protein content. For a more creative approach, try adding it to baked goods like muffins or pancakes, or even making homemade protein-packed energy balls or bars for convenient, healthy snacks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.